AI art is seemingly everywhere online. These images are made by AI generators, programs that use generative AI to take your simple text description and transform it into a batch of images that bring your artistic vision to life. AI image generators are great for brainstorming ideas, mocking up potential designs, and creating personalized AI images. Even if you're not the most artistic, these programs offer a lot of tools and features to help guide you along the creative process. Not all AI image generators are going to be right for you and your project. Picking the right AI service can feel overwhelming because there are a lot of options available. That's why CNET reviewers have spent months reviewing every program on this list, generating hundreds of images and creating everything from cartoon safaris to dramatic sci-fi scenes and photorealistic stock imagery. At some point during our testing, every service on this list spat out a wonky or unusable image. No AI image generator is perfect. The test of a truly superior AI image generator is how well equipped it is to handle those quirks and fix flaws. Editing tools and customization options are a big part of that, which is why we test those extensively. Privacy policies, including how generators potentially train on your content, are also important considerations when selecting the best services. Here's what made the cut. Read more. Create better AI images. With these expert prompt and video tips, don't forget to share your feedback. Number 1, DALL-E 3 by OpenAI is CNET's 2024 Editor's Choice for the best AI image generator. DALL-E 3 is great for amateurs and professionals, with many editing tools like different styles and customizations to take advantage of. DALL-E is unique among its competitors for its conversational flow, making it easy to send follow-up requests, and its ability to handle complex queries. OpenAI may use your content to improve its models, but the company says it won't share your data with advertisers and offers a way to request to opt out of model training. With the $20 per month ChatGPT Plus subscription, DALL-E 3 creates vivid, engaging images with limited AI quirks. See CNET score breakdown 80. 10. Number 2. Leonardo is great for AI creatives on a budget. It has a comprehensive free plan that gives you ample generation credits at a fast speed. It doesn't have any free post-generation editing tools, they're paywalled, but it does have a prompt improvement tool and other customization elements that can guide you toward building the best prompts. Leonardo makes it easy to explore what's possible with AI and create vivid, detailed AI images. Its free plan easily knocks its competitors out of the water, even the user-friendly CanvaCnet score breakdown 70. 10. Number 3. Adobe Firefly's family of generative AI image tools is built directly into Adobe Creative Cloud, including Photoshop, which makes it a great option for professional creatives looking to experiment. Firefly offers a lot of stylistic and artistic options, and its refinement tools feel similar to editing software that creatives will be familiar with. Firefly is trained on Adobe's own stock catalog, which includes high-quality licensed and public domain. Content Firefly does not train on your content. If you're already paying for an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, Firefly can be an easy way to mock up ideas or spark inspiration. See CNET score breakdown 70. 10. Number 4. Canva is an extremely user-friendly graphic design service, and its AI image generator Magic Media is a great option for amateur AI creators. Magic Media is a minimalist service, which isn't great if you need extensive editing tools, but it's great for folks on a budget and time crunch. Canva's privacy policy is notably secure, as Canva does not train its AI on your content, and the images you generate are always private, unlike many competitors. Canva also makes it easy to integrate your AI images into your other projects, on desktop and on the mobile app. It's a no-frills, easy-to-navigate AI image generator perfect for beginners and Canva lovers. CNET score breakdown 7010. Thank you. Subscribe to Kar Mehnat Bhai. Don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts, hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech news and updates. Your support means the world.